Hey guys, I know I don't get in front of the camera too much that often anymore. Maybe this is why, because I start forgetting what I was going to say. Anyway, I forgot to put my camera on my chest as I was walking out the door. And so now, oh wow, there's some crazy guy out there jogging. It's like freezing cold right now. Probably can't see him because GoPro's stuck at night. Anyway, figured I'd say, hey, what's up? Thanks for watching the channel. For all my new subscribers, for all my long-term subscribers, for everybody that comes, chit-chats with me in the comments down below. Appreciate you guys. Anyway, so I'll throw you on my chest again and we'll get home now. Ah, brr, got cold again, man. Got fetching cold. So fetching cold. So here I was enjoying like the upper 40s and low 50s, and now I'm back to freezing. Damn it. I was especially thankful for the short warm winter we've had. I'm not used to getting cold again. That's the problem here in Utah, is our weather patterns. They suck, man. I think I've said it before on the channel. In Utah, if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. And I'm sure it's like that in a lot of other places, but it seems ridiculous here. Growing up, I grew up in Northern California, in the Central Valley, Sacramento, California area. And the weather there was pretty consistent. You know, our winters were rainy, and then our summers were clear and warm. And that was it. Didn't get like summer storms or anything like that, you know. But here, heck, we had a thunderstorm last night. And that's the first time I think I've heard thunder come in the winter. And we get some pretty good thunderstorms here with the temperatures just right. Especially if it's really warm. When we get a cold front move in, like last night. But we just had a pretty good storm system come, dump some rain on us, and move on. You know, moisture's a good thing. I guess I'm glad it didn't snow, because that meant I could ride my road bike again. Y'all know how much I love my road bike. But now it's cold. That storm blew out all my warm air and replaced it with some freezing cold air. Anyway, no real topics tonight. I just getting out of work late. I took kind of an extended evening, lunch, whatever you want to call it. And went and got my taxes done. More money you make, the more money they take. That's all I can tell you. But it's okay. You know, I make enough to live comfortably and provide for my family. And that's all that really matters, right? But I know there's a lot of people out there that benefit from the money, the taxes, the dollars spent. So you just gotta look at the positives. Don't look at the negatives. Forget all the government waste. Don't think about that. That'll only make you upset. So the Super Bowl was this weekend. I didn't watch it. I didn't see a single lick of the game. This was the first time in, well, since I can remember, that I did not watch the Super Bowl. That's okay. Because you know what? Life went on. The day was another day. The night was another night. And I didn't have a heart attack. I didn't have an aneurysm. No ill side effects from not watching the big game. My boy Tommy, though, pulled a un-Tom Brady move there at the end and didn't drive down the field to victory. Kind of surprised me, but you can't win them all. He's lost more than most people have played in, so you know, it is what it is. 8 Super Bowls. It's pretty amazing, man. It's a long run. I don't know if he'll be back next year, but he's definitely got the ability still. And if he wants to, I'm sure they'll leave it there for him. Ooh, I hear a train coming. I wonder if it's gonna get to the tracks about the same time we do. Maybe I'll put a train in the video. We'll see. Train's coming. Train's coming. Can you see it?